A successful plan to reduce belly fat should have a multifaceted approach. You need to consider many factors affecting your ability to burn fat and then take small steps that add up to big results. Choosing foods that help burn belly fat is a big part of the equation. Putting them onto your weight loss meal plan holds you accountable too. That's why we have put together this list of the best fat burning foods to help you on your journey. Here is a list of 9 surprising fat burning foods you should include in your diet. Number 1. Avocados. This unique fruit is high in fat content in contrast to most other fruits that contain carbohydrates. This monosaturated fatty acid present in it helps fight belly fat, thus making it a healthy food to lose weight. 100 grams of avocado accounts for about 160 calories. Apart from aiding weight loss, it is a good source of vitamin C and vitamin B6. Number 2. Salmon. Another excellent protein source to include in your meal plan is salmon. Wild-caught salmon is your best bet as the total fatty acid profile tends to be quite a bit better than farmed salmon. Wild-caught salmon contains 13 grams of fat per half fillet serving, while farmed salmon contains 27 grams of fat. It also has a lower level of saturated fat as well as a lower level of omega-6 fatty acids. This is important as too many omega-6 fatty acids can increase inflammation in the body. 3. Coffee. A couple of cups of strong coffee first thing can help you lose weight by reducing hunger pangs so you are not tempted by sugary mid-morning snacks. That's the finding of a study based on both overweight and normal weight subjects published in the Obesity Journal, which found caffeine consumption of around 6 mg per kilogram of body weight, that's 450 mg for a 75 kg man, to be the ideal amount. Number 4. Berries. They are rich in antioxidants which act as a bodyguard against cell damage, leaving you looking younger. Recent research says that they also help in reducing belly fat. Now, there's another reason to add more berries to your diet. Number 5. Apples. Can an apple a day really keep the fat away? Full of fiber, sweet, and yet low in calories, apples are brilliant at keeping hunger under control whilst giving you a much-needed energy boost. However, apples are more than just an effective appetite suppressant, with multiple studies demonstrating that polyphenols found in apples proactively aid the breakdown of stored fats within cells. The end result? Eating apples regularly leads to less impulsive food choices and increased fat breakdown. Number 6. Chia seeds. The amazing seed is packed not only with protein but also with fiber and omega-3. When added to water, they plump up, making you fuller even when consumed in small proportions. Make sure to add this to your smoothies or puddings to make your weight loss regime fruitful. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. These are a great source of protein, zinc, magnesium, and iron, all of which are vital to keeping your body using up fat stores around the clock. They also contain a wide variety of antioxidants, including forms of vitamin E found in few other foods. Grab a handful between meals to stay full. Number 8. Dark chocolate. It is said that people who eat a small amount of dark chocolate a day can keep themselves away from other cravings. So pile up on these healthy chocolates and get rid of the cookies and chips if you wish to burn your fat. Number 9. Oatmeal. Befriend a bowl of oatmeal for your breakfast if you are on a weight loss regime. This fiber-rich meal leaves you full and content for a longer time as it boosts your metabolism. If cholesterol watching is on your list, then this is the best way to get the levels under control. While just eating the top fat-burning foods won't get you the perfect body, you need a healthy diet for that. They will give you a little extra boost toward achieving your goal. Some of these foods actually burn more calories to digest than they contain, while others help build muscle tissue or encourage the body to burn fat. Foods high in protein, healthy fat or fiber tend to fill you up, so you won't be as hungry for snacks, which are not really fat burners, but do help you achieve your weight loss goals.